Do you want to make your flute to stop like this when animating flute, just like this? Or are you suffering from something like this whereby your flute splashes away when animating? I'll teach you in this video the simple way. It's just very easy, it's not very hard. Watch to the end and understand what makes your flute to splash away from your is it your cup or whatever, is it elevator or what? So let's go down. So once you are at the point where you want it to stop, you come here, you click on the sphere or your inflow, and you have to go to the use flow and give it a keyframe here. Once you give it to a keyframe, yes, you have to give it, then you go to the next frame. Once you go to the next frame, you untick the use flow and give it a keyframe again. So once you give it a keyframe now, you have to go to your cube or your domain, whatever you call it. To me, I call it the cube. Then you have to go to free all now. That means on your cube or domain, go to free all. You go to free all. So once you go to free all, you click on free all. So once you click on free all, you have to do something now. You can hide this sphere. You don't need it. So you need to just bake all now again. Bake all. It will take some time for it to bake all. So you wait for it while it keeps baking. So that's just watch to the end and see what will happen. So once it finished bake, okay, let's press the play. Once you press the play right now, from let me just say from the starting of the keyframe, you see what will happen. It stops immediately. If you find this video very helpful, please subscribe.